3SC started as a bootstrap organization in 2012, primarily focusing on supply chain and logistics with advanced analytics and data science. The complexity of the supply chain in the Indian industry was solved by us as one of the first advanced analytics company in the domain of supply chain and logistics.
3SC stands for creating values in the lives of our partners, our employees and our customers. We stand for everything that we do with utmost dedication and integrity.
3SC, with its youthful, ambitious team members with a burning desire to make a contribution to the industry, aspires to be the most admired supply chain solutions company using state-of-the-art artificial intelligence, machine learning to provide real value to its customers and enable them to stay ahead of competition.
3SC is a place where we breed, develop, nurture talent. It is a place where you come, join us young, grow old and grow with us.
Constant guidance from the senior management has made me a more confident and optimistic person. I'll cherish this experience at 3SC for a lifetime.
3SC has been a kickstart to great teamwork. Its interdisciplinary efforts and learning has helped me through my quick transition from client-facing role to team leadership. I couldn't have asked for more from all the team leaders I have had by now.
It has been an upward learning and evolving journey for me within 3SC. 3SC has given me enough opportunities and challenges to develop myself from middle management to the senior management level. It's like completing a full circle within the organizational pyramid, where I could start from the middle management and reach up to the senior management level.
3SC is not just an organization but a growth enabler. The kind of exposure and the plethora of opportunities that we're offered here is unmatchable.
As rightly quoted by Gaur Gopal Das, I have always been a follower of these lines. Passion is about figuring out what you are good at and what you would love to do. And in that case, 3SC has been instrumental in shaping me from scratch, that is a management trainee with only theoretical knowledge, and now to a professional that I am with all the practical knowledge.
In a 2-year of experience with 3SC, it has been a great pleasure for me. There are really a very smart set of people whom you can learn and grow yourself. And the projects and features you are working here, you can learn and achieve many things here.
The best memory for me in my 5 years of journey with 3SC has been organizing unforgettable experiences for my colleagues, like conducting office events, parties, outings, and yes, R&R programs for them.
Family, innovative,
empowering,
inclusive,